Law is a business. When I first started out, I didn't treat law as a business. I thought that I could just hang a shingle, so to speak, and maybe do some bar functions, again, some of the more word of mouth stuff, and then would try to assume that the business side would work itself out. I realized quickly that that was a mistake. And as I said too, with marketing, you have to think about marketing, the whole process. So marketing, sales, the operations, the physical plant itself, your staffing. I didn't really think of all those things when I first started practicing law, but then I realized, well, if I'm going to focus on marketing and sales, well, I've got to have somebody who's dedicated to legal work. So then I hired an associate. Well, if I hired an associate, she needs support staff. And the other employee that I mentioned, well, if I'm going to bring this type of client into my practice, I need to make sure there's appropriate staffing and steady process for opening and working and closing the matters. And then figuring out, okay, well, am I really charging enough? Do I need to look at my cost of goods sold and making sure that I'm running a profitable business? So I wish that I had had these types of skills when I started out, but they don't teach you that in law school. I ended up working with a law firm coaching outfit called How to Manage a Small Law Firm. And they've sort of been my guide for the past year plus in terms of how do I function as a business person? How do I view law as a business? Because frankly, a lot of attorneys don't because they were never taught it in law school. So being the first entrepreneur in my family, I've just had to, well, now with the coaching, it really helps. But before, I wish I would have known those things about the business aspect of running a law firm.